This is Frankford Arsenal's universal collet system to deprime brass from .20 caliber up to .338 Lapua. The package includes a hand deprimer with 3 plastic collets. Small .223 rem, medium .308 win/.30-06 and large for magnum, a primer catch tube, decapping pin and instruction. It is a robust construction, weighing 590 grams or 1 pound 4 3/4 ounce. The collets are plastic and feels flimsy. I suggest to handle this parts with care in mind. Easily removable plastic, spent primer catch tube. Adjusting the collet. I have a small size collet pre-inserted for .223 Remington. During the adjustment, the collet adjustment cap will compress the collet and eliminate any side-to-side play of the case. Tighten the collet adjustment cap until the case cannot move sideways but is still easy to insert and remove from the case holder. Don't forget to insert the primer catch tube. Flip the case holder down into the depriming position. And then squeeze the lever to deprime the case, and release the lever to allow the case holder to auto-eject. How to insert a different size collet. Tip: slide collets over case to choose a collet that fits around the case. Remove the collet adjustment cap. Careful not to loose the O-ring. Remove and replace with the appropriate sized collet. Install the collet adjustment cap and tighten until the case cannot move sideways but is still easy to insert and remove from the case holder. I didn't even notice until the flimsy collet fell off. I suggest to store it someplace else. This is how I set up my tool for a faster depriming. I removed the primer catch tube and used a box instead. This is definitely a great addition to my reloading tools. Performed without any problem. Definitely better than my Hornady decapping die. Easy setup and fast productivity. Be advised. If you have soft hands, I suggest to wear gloves because after a while chances of getting blister is very high. Peace. Once again, thank you all for supporting this channel. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Take care.